The Tesla Model 3 features electronic controls for shifting into neutral, unlike traditional cars with mechanical gear shifters. Neutral mode allows the wheels to spin freely without motor power, which is essential for towing, maintenance tasks, or preparing for car washes. To engage neutral, use the shift stalk located on the steering column. Pull it downward while the car is in park and stationary to activate neutral mode. For maintenance tasks, access service mode through the touchscreen. This unlocks the wheels and allows shifting into neutral for up to 15 minutes. Car wash mode seals the charge port, disables sensors, and prepares the vehicle for automatic car washes. Combine with service mode if neutral is needed during the wash. Remember, neutral mode disables autopilot and requires the car to be stationary for safety. Always follow Tesla's guidelines to prevent accidents. First, make sure your Model 3 is completely stopped and in park mode. The touchscreen will show a P indicating the car is parked. Next, locate the shift stalk, which is the lever on the left side of the steering column. This replaces the traditional gear shifter. Now pull the shift stalk downwards once to engage neutral. The system will only allow this when the vehicle is stationary. Once engaged, an N icon will appear on the touchscreen, confirming that neutral mode is active. The wheels can now spin freely without power delivery. To exit neutral, simply push the shift stalk upwards to return to drive or park mode. This completes the shifting process. Important safety reminder: neutral shifting is only possible when the vehicle is completely stopped. This prevents any risk of accidental shifting during motion. Service mode is useful for maintenance tasks like tire changes or towing. To access it, navigate to Controls > Service > Engage Service Mode on your touchscreen. This unlocks the wheels and starts a 15-minute timer. While in service mode, you can shift to neutral using the shift stalk as described previously. To exit service mode, press Exit Service Mode on the touchscreen or restart the car. Car wash mode prepares your Tesla Model 3 for automatic car washes by sealing the charge port, disabling wipers and sensors, and putting the car into a low power state. Activate car wash mode through the touchscreen menu by selecting Controls, then Service, then Car Wash mode. The charge port is automatically sealed to protect against water damage during the wash. During the automatic car wash, your Model 3 moves through various cleaning stages, including foam application, rinsing, and brushing. For conveyor belt washes that require the car to be in neutral, you can combine car wash mode with service mode to engage neutral. However, most car washes allow the car to remain in park, so neutral is not always necessary. Tesla continuously improves its vehicles through over-the-air software updates, delivering new features and enhancements without requiring a visit to the service center. These over-the-air updates are delivered wirelessly to your Tesla, keeping the vehicle current with the latest technology and safety improvements. Recent updates, such as version 12.5, have introduced enhanced haptic feedback for neutral engagement. This provides tactile confirmation when shifting into neutral mode. These updates also include automatic disengagement of neutral mode when the system detects vehicle motion or potential safety risks, preventing unintended rollaways during towing or maintenance. Overall, these software enhancements improve the user experience and increase safety, significantly reducing the risk of misuse and potential incidents during towing or maintenance activities. If you encounter issues shifting into neutral, ensure the car is fully stopped and in park. If using service mode, remember the 15-minute timer and exit promptly. If you're having trouble with car wash mode, double-check that all settings are correctly applied to prevent water ingress. Consult the Tesla owner's manual or contact Tesla support for further assistance if problems persist. Tesla is trending towards more automated systems for vehicle control. Future models and software updates may reduce the need for manual neutral engagement, possibly integrating AI-driven safety checks and voice-activated controls. While neutral remains essential for specific scenarios like towing, The focus is on seamless integration with smart infrastructure and energy efficient towing modes, enhancing the overall driving experience.